Hi everyone, it's Judy from An Eye for Beauty, and today is Sunday, September 12th, 2021. And this message is for the week of September 12th, or whenever it is that you're hearing this message. Know that there is always going to be something in these messages that you need to hear for your highest good. So decide now if you want to go with card number 1, card number 2, or card number 3, and just listen to the message. And we're going to start with card number 1. Card number 1 says have faith. So if you are going through something right now in your personal life, or even if you're just very concerned with what's going on with the world, this may be hard to hear because a lot of what we are experiencing is extremely heavy. But Archangel Raphael is coming in and asking you, this is almost like testing your faith. Do you still have faith in God? Do you still have faith? And even though what we see right now that is continuing to go on seems heavier and heavier, do you still have faith in the fact that it will all be okay in the end? Now, this card says, thank you for boosting my faith so that I may trust in miracles. Miracles do occur. Do you have faith in knowing that miracles can possibly occur in what it is that you are concerned about? Maybe it's something in your personal life, or it's a family member, or you're going through something right now and you're not sure that you're going to be able to handle it. Have faith. Call upon Archangel Raphael. Imagine the situation or the person or the world in the color emerald green light surrounding it. That is the color of Archangel Raphael's light, emerald green. Can you envision that color around yourself, around your family, around a situation that is causing you to not have faith, or around the world events? Can you close your eyes and just imagine that emerald green light surrounding it right now? That healing green light. God and the archangels are supporting us. It may be hard to see that for some, but they are. So if you chose card number 1, call upon Archangel Raphael and ask him to help fill you with more faith than you ever have had before, so that you can go through what it is that you're walking through. Card number 2 says just the word yes. Okay, so if you were starting this video and you're thinking about a situation in your life, or maybe you have a question, the answer is yes, exclamation point. The card does say, though, please help me trust my feelings as an accurate barometer of truth. So this card is suggesting to you that your inner guidance is accurate. Do you trust it? Do you have faith in it? Because it is. If there is something going on in your life where you're kind of doubting, you're unsure, but you do have this feeling that keeps coming up, but you're not listening to it because you're not trusting yourself, this card is suggesting to you, yes, your feelings are accurate. I'm going to pull another card with regards to that card just to see if we have a little more guidance on that for card number 2 people. Okay, so what comes up with regards to that is 2 things. Sunlight. Let's see, he's carrying some fruits and organic food. So I don't know if you are a person that chose card number 2 that's thinking about creating a healthier lifestyle for yourself, adding in more whole foods, more fruits and vegetables, getting rid of the processed foods in the world, getting rid of the chemicals, because there's chemicals in a lot of stuff right now. Maybe you want to take a healthier approach to your eating. These cards are telling you how to do it. Go outside in sunlight, maybe grow your own vegetables. But in the store, go and find stuff that you can tell if fruit or vegetables looks good. Maybe you can't afford to get something that is organic, but look at the fruits and vegetables that you're choosing when you go into the supermarket and just, connect with it. And that might sound silly to some, but really what you're doing is you're looking at these fruits and vegetables to say, is it going to nourish me? Because if it's not, don't buy it. If you feel that it looks and feels good and it's something that is going to provide you with nourishment, then that's the right fruit for you. I do this all the time when I go into the grocery store. There could be a bunch of apples, and there's always a few that I can tell you I know I need to choose, and then there's a few that I shouldn't be touching. So that's card number 2. And then card number 3 is suggesting to you to exercise, because exercise is key, and it is key, basically, it's movement. So instead of using the word exercise, let's use the word movement. Movement helps shift energy. So if you're feeling stuck, or if you're feeling like you need to create more movement, more stretching in your daily routine, that's what you need to be doing. It doesn't have to be hardcore, strenuous exercise, but it does have to be something that shifts and moves around the energy. And the card says, thank you for motivating me and guiding me to an exercise program that fits my schedule, my interests, and my budget. So this card is inviting you to find some new way to move as we step into the middle of September. Maybe you have always thought about joining a gym, or maybe, like in my case, my gym closed due to the pandemic. They couldn't stay open. So now I have to figure out a way to move. So maybe it's walking outside in nature. Maybe it is getting weights and doing it myself with a video, which that is what I've been doing. But there are different things that you can do for yourself. Figure out what fits best in your schedule, what you can afford. But if you chose card number 3, it's time to start moving more, start exercising, and it helps not just your body, but your mind and your spirit as well. So I hope that this message today served you in some way, shape, or form and helped you as we step into the middle of September, and I wish you a great week. Bye-bye.